Feeling alright, bumble.
It's Seasonings.
One time, one time. Standard. One time.
Hi, welcome back.
Lego.
And if you're new here, I welcome you. Today I'm going to be doing my last 3-day meal prep. So come on, let's get started. Here are all my ingredients.
One by one.
And as I go along, I'll let you know what I'm using. Okay, I'm going to start off with my meat. I have chicken breast, scallops, and 8 shrimp. And I have my seasonings right here. Everything will be in the description below. I have Greek yogurt, 1/8 teaspoon of brown sugar, and soy sauce to marinate my chicken. And 1/8 teaspoon of the soy sauce.
Man, I tell me they go. The girl them a slow. Bad man on the road. When them go down, we show down. Oh yeah, go down,
It's going to help tenderize the breast. Next, I'm starting off with my wild rice mix, and I'm going to use 1.5 cups to 2 cups and a half of chicken broth, but I have chicken bouillon. Mix this up, and I'm going to boil my water, and I'll be back. And I've rinsed my rice off. Olive oil here.
1 by 1.
1 teaspoon of butter.
Man, I tell me they go. The girl them a slow. Bad man on the road. When them go down, we go down. Oh yeah, go down. We and a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Go one nigga take me one foot. Now me original bad man. One time.
Just for wild rice to get done. So I'm adding some seasoning to it now. top over it. This is how the scallops look. Kind of want to get them kind of charred a little bit, not much though. Also added mushrooms. Our next vegetable will be broccoli and carrots, and I preheated them in the microwave. Half cup of rice. Add the rosemary. Give it that extra flavor. Okay, here it is. 3 delicious meals. If you have a bigger family, just use your casserole, dishes, large pots and pans, whatever. And you can do the same thing. This is it. Put my tops on there. And this is my 3-day meal. Thank y'all for watching.